What's it like to have good and useful gadgets for camping? See now a selection from Amazon that you will like. Our enhanced camping tube offers an impressive fully inflated length of 34-inch, ensuring a substantially expanded range of illumination. Immerse yourself in a world of brighter, more extensive lighting wherever your adventure takes you. Can be recharges in direct outdoor sunlight or by USB input. Made of high-quality TPU material and advanced manufacturing process, waterproof and drop-resistant, longer service life. 4 camping gear must-haves in just one bracelet with the fire starter, striker and ferro rod, compass, loud emergency whistle, and 12 feet of military-grade paracord. The Atomic Bear Cobra bracelet is adjustable to fit small and big wrists, adjusting from 8-inch-10.5, which makes it one of the best hiking accessories for campers, backpackers, or Boy Scouts. The STANLEY Cook Kit is perfect for outdoor cooking for hot meals, coffee, or boiling water. Our cooking pots come with a vented top to let steam escape or strain liquid. This is a great survival supplies gift too. We designed the handle to provide maximum comfort and stability while it's on the stove. The locking handle extends for stable cooking but folds over the lid to save space with the rest of your gear. Luxmum Survival Kit is unique in that it was specifically designed by survival experts. The comprehensive survival kit not only includes 21 PCS multipurpose survival tools, but it also offers 106 PCS first aid kit and a fishing tool set which can meet your different needs and provide the most safest and comprehensive protection for any outdoor activities like camping, hiking, car travel, climbing, boating, etc. Walkie-talkies for adults have easy voice and sound activation transmission, VOX, with 3 sensitivity levels for hands-free operation. You can keep in touch with friends and families at any time when you camping adventure or in a crowded supermarket. Can reach up to 3 miles communication range in open areas such as rural areas, suburbs, or seaside, etc. where there is no shelter. If in cities or towns, walkie-talkies can reach 0.6 to 1.2 miles in most cases. Adverse weather, car, iron material, voyage, and buildings will affect the range. The actual distance depends on the obstruction of the current environment. Revolutionary hexagon design made with body mapping technology. The hexagon air cells ergonomically support all of your pressure points, giving you superior support and comfort all night long, no matter how you sleep. The sleeping mat is also a camping gear must-haves luxury, being comfortable yet lightweight. It rolls up small, making it effortless to carry around. The cot comes in a variety of color choices, sure to match anyone's personality. BK2000 Water Filtration System innovative 5-stage filtration incorporates ultrafiltration membrane, PP cotton, KDF, activated carbon, and coconut activated carbon fiber. Consists of high-quality coconut activated carbon fiber can improve the taste. Button can be easily pressed to clean water in outdoor environment. In the process of getting water outdoors, freeing your hands, you can pack your bags, set up tents, cook, etc. The emergency light makes it easy to get water outdoors at night. Arever merges 3 essential tools, lighter, flashlight, compass, into one compact device, ideal for any outdoor escapade. Bid goodbye to traditional lighters that demand constant butane refills. The Arever USB lighter is rechargeable via an included USB cable, providing hundreds of uses after just a 2-hour charge. Equipped with an IP56 rated waterproof rubber cover and a dual arc design. Our lighter is windproof, waterproof, splashproof, and dust-resistant. It performs optimally under harsh weather conditions, even during winter storms, at high altitudes, or in cold, damp environments. Ideal companion for all your outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, fishing, hunting, or exploring wildernesses.